morning, children. Sairam. Wow, I'm seeing so many smiling faces today. All are happy. Why? Wow, so nice. So, all are ready for today's session, na? Yes, very good. So, today, children, see how Mickey is standing very nicely, na? Like this. Yes, yes, very nicely it's standing, na? You like it? Yes, even I like it. That's very pleasure, na? What are all the things surrounded with Mickey? Can you say? Yes. Where Mickey is standing? Yes, in a garden. How you're telling that Mickey is standing in a garden? How you're telling? Yes, very good. So you can see flowers, butterflies are surrounded in the garden. Okay, correct na? Yes, very cute children. Correct. Your concept is very nice. Today we are going to see a topic like this only. Garden means it is related with butterflies, flowers, flower pots and waters. Yes, very pleasant. Correct. Garden means you can see flower pots, flowers, trees, saplings, everything. Correct na? So the same thing we are going to do. What topic? Things that go together. What is the topic? Things that go together. It means what? It is related topics. Garden means flowers will be there, butterflies will be there. Park will means aram se. You can go for walking. Yes, na? So it is of related terms and related things. Okay, what is the meaning? Things go together. What is related to what? Okay. Yes. Can you brush your teeth without toothpaste or brush? No, it is a related. Okay, the same thing. Things go together means there are so many things which are dependent on the other. Okay. Teacher means children. Yes, children mean teacher. We all teachers. Yes? Yes, na? Good. See, I'll show you few examples. As I told you, what is this? See, your teeth is shiny, happy feeling, na? See how when will be our teeth will be very much happy? When we clean, and yes, when the dirts are out, when we brush our teeth. See, the teeth will be happy. So teeth means the brush and the paste. Yes, now we'll used to brush our teeth with toothbrush, toothpaste. Toothbrush and toothpaste. Correct? Why toothbrush? Only that it is used to brush our teeth. Correct? Toothbrush, toothpaste. Correct? So these are going together? Yes. So without that the work will not happen. Okay. See, I'll show you one more thing now. What is this? This is also a brush. What is this? This is a painting brush. What is this? Painting brush. We can paint the walls. We can do the picture painting. Okay. That is different painting brush. Okay, children. So, brush, painting brush and paintings. Okay, toothpaste, toothbrush. Painting brush, paintings, colors. Yes. Now you understood? Yes, I'll show you one more. What is this? Yummy breakfast you had? What is this? Bread, a sandwich. Actually, it's a sandwich. Okay, a sandwich. But it will go good. A bread can go also good with jam. Yes, bread and sandwich on one side, bread and jam on the other side. Bread with sandwich is one type. Bread and jam go together. Okay, both are same. Bread and sandwich is also correct. Bread with jam is also correct. So these things go together, then only the outcome will be very much fine. What is this? Aram, say I'll sit in this sofa. Yes. What do you need to your back? A cushion. Sofa, with a cushion will go together. So that purpose is solved. Okay? Yes? Very good. What is this next thing? Yes, birds. Birds and nest will go together. Yes? Birds will be sitting in the trees. Birds chirps. What is that sound? Chirps. Okay? But where will the bird sit? Bird sits on the nest. We can see birds in the nest. Nest will be in the tree. So which will go together? Birds and the nest. Yes? Okay, which are interrelated. Okay, na? Understood? See, if we take a maths workbook and we'll go to that page, you will definitely understand now. Okay? Ready? So come with your maths workbook, pencil, eraser, children. Yes. Ready? Good. In that, take page number 1616. Okay? Very good. Arey wow, you're taking on your own. Very nice of you, children. So cute. Keep it up. Very good. So first what we have to write? Date CW. I told my children are smarter. So they will write the date on their own. Correct na? Yes. So tell me what is today's date, children? Yes? Okay. Wow. Lovely. Keep it up. Yes. Right. 11-20. Super. Very good. Write today's date. CW. Done? Very good. So nice. And read the topic. What is the topic given? Things that go together. Done? Very good. Now read the heading. Match the things that go together. It means what? See, they have given so many pictures up and down. Correct? So we are going to match the pictures which are related to each other, which will go together. Yes? Ready? Yes. By seeing now you would have understood now? Yes. Children, just listen. We will go half by half. Okay? First take the first part. Yes. What is the first picture? Lamp. Study lamp with the light. Bulb. Yes. Match it? Yes? Okay. Good. What is the next picture? Pillow. Pillow with cord. Correct. Match it. So nice my children are. This is the third one. Third picture. Umbrella. Umbrella with rainy season. Yes. We'll use umbrella mostly in rainy seasons. Correct? We may use at hot summer season also. Okay. But here what the picture given? It is rainy. Okay. So we have to match it with umbrella to the rainy picture. Okay? Yes. And what is the next one? You remember? Yeah, birds with a bird here. A bird with nest. Wow, very good. Superb. And what is the last one? Matchstick. Matchstick with candle. Very good. What is that picture? Candle. Have you seen candle? Oh, very nice. Oh, so cute. Okay, very nice children. This is done? Yes, now you understood what it should be? Got it? Okay. So now what you're going to do, you know? Can you see the below part? Match the patterns. See the same pattern you're going to match it. Okay? And this is you're going to do as a homework. Okay? Write HW. That's enough. Okay? See, just for example, see what the same. There are 6 different buttons, 6 different circles are they. Correct? Yes or no? Ah, yes. Tell me loudly. Yes, teacher. Good. So, you are going to match the same pattern. Purple with purple. Orange with orange. Blue, blue. So what is that other thing? Okay, tricolor with the tricolor. Light green with light green. Orange with orange. So you are going to match the same thing. This is called, it's a pattern, na? So what are all the same thing? You are going to match with the same patterns. You know the patterns, correct? Yes, very good. This is done. Okay, shall we move on to the next one? Very good. Now take the immediate page number 17. 17. Same pattern, correct? Yes, right. See here, match the things that go together. Same thing, na? Yes? Yes. So what is that picture? First picture. What is that? Spider. Yes. 8 like spider. Spider with spider web. Yes? Yes. Match it. The spider with the web. Done? It's done? Yes. Have you seen a spider web anywhere? Okay. If not, see here. This is spider web. Okay? Okay. What is the next thing? Next picture next to the spider? It's picture of a next picture now. It's a petrol pump. You have seen na? Yes. You know what is petrol pump? Yes. Now you can correlate this picture with the car. Yes, we can pour petrol in either a two-wheeler or four-wheeler. Correct? A lorry, a vehicle. Correct. So which vehicle is there here? It's a car. So match it, petrol pump with car. Done? Yes. What is the third picture? It's a post box. Have you seen, children, post box? Yes? Okay. Now, okay, have not seen? No problem. Now see here, this is a post box. In olden days, we used to post letters only. Now we have internet, mobiles, everything. So we are talking to each other in that extent. Okay. But initial days, early days, we used to write letter. We used to post it in the post box. And postman will collect and deliver. Okay. Yes. Okay. So this post box, what will be inside the post box? Inland letter, the covers. Letter covers. Okay. And so match it with this one. What does this? Yes, cover, inland letter cover. Okay, envelope. Yes, this is nicely we can tell as envelope. Okay, yes, done. Very good. What is the last picture? Computer. I know all my children will be knowing this. Yes, can you relate it with which one? Mouse. Very good, my dear sweet children. Computer you can match it with mouse. Very good. Done? So cute, children. I told you now, my children are very smart. Okay? Now, the same way, you are going to match this also as homework. This is also very easy. Now, within 2 minutes, I think you will do this. Correct? See, watch with which you will match it? Hand, because you used to tie watch in your hand, na? Yes, watch with hand. Shuttlecock with shuttle bat. Needle, thread. Paint brush, paint box. Wheel, the bus. The wheels on the bus. Got it? Yes, na? It's easy? Very good, children. Thank you so much. You understood? You happy? Very good. Even I am happy. My children are very smart. They understood. Thank you so much, children. See you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.